So let's come to the key question. Why do we want to hang off? The safer style is definitely the dirt bike riding style, where you push the bike down beneath you. Like this, you stay centered above the bike and retain the ability to dodge within milliseconds in case an obstacle appears. You're doing this by pushing your palm against the handlebar. But this requires more linear. At about 55 degrees, tires start to lose grip. And at a certain point, also the footrests start to drag on the road. Instead, when you're hanging off, the bike will sit up a bit, and you can still corner with high speed. Therefore, it makes sense to switch between the two options depending on how sporty you want to ride.